Most people who invest in crypto in 2026 are going to lose money. Not because the market crashes, not because they picked the wrong coins, but because they had no strategy whatsoever. And the crazy part? The blueprint that actually works is sitting right in front of them, and they keep scrolling past it. Today, I'm going to hand you that blueprint, step by step. Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about building real wealth through crypto in 2026, you're in exactly the right place. I'm going to walk you through a complete investment strategy, from how to allocate your portfolio, to which sectors are primed to explode, to the risk management rules that will keep you from blowing up your account when volatility hits. No hype, no moon talk, just a clean. Bitcoin's halving occurred in April 2024, and historically, the 18 to 24 months following a halving represent the most explosive growth window in crypto. If history rhymes, and it has 3 times already, we're sitting in one of the most significant wealth-building opportunities of the decade. That doesn't mean easy money. It means opportunity for the prepared investor. So here's the first pillar of your 2026 strategy: Bitcoin as your anchor. Bitcoin should represent 40 to 50% of your total crypto portfolio. I know that sounds boring. You're here for the 100x altcoins, right? But here's the truth. Bitcoin is the tide that lifts all boats. Keep Bitcoin as your foundation. It's your hedge, your store of value, and your market indicator all in one. The second pillar is smart altcoin allocation. This is where things get interesting. Not all altcoins are created equal, and in 2026, there are 3 specific sectors you need to be watching. First, Layer 2 scaling solutions. Projects like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base are solving Ethereum's congestion and fee problems. As on-chain activity grows, these networks become highways, and highway owners collect tolls. Second, real-world asset tokenization, or RWA. This is the intersection of traditional finance and blockchain. Platforms bringing real estate, treasury bonds, and private credit on-chain are attracting institutional capital right now. Chainlink, Ondo Finance, and similar projects are early infrastructure plays in a sector that could be worth trillions. Third, AI and blockchain convergence. Decentralized AI computing projects are gaining serious traction. The idea of censorship-resistant, user-owned AI infrastructure is no longer science fiction. It's being built. Allocate 30 to 40% of your portfolio across these 3 sectors, diversified, not concentrated. The third pillar is position sizing and entry strategy. One of the biggest mistakes I see investors make is going all in at one price point. Instead, use a strategy called dollar-cost averaging with conviction entries. Here's what that means practically. Set aside your total intended investments. This approach removes emotion from the equation. You're not panic buying at the top or panic selling at the bottom. You're executing a plan. Now let's talk about the rule that most people skip entirely: risk management. Because a crypto strategy without risk management isn't a strategy, it's gambling. Rule number 1. Never invest more than you can afford to lose completely. This isn't just a disclaimer, it's a psychological protection tool. If you're investing rent money, you will make emotional decisions, and emotional decisions destroy portfolios. Rule number 2. Set stop-loss levels for your altcoin positions. Take out your initial investment. When it's up 5x, take another 25% off the table. Let the rest ride. This strategy means you literally cannot lose on that trade. You're playing with house money. Finally, let's talk about the exit strategy, because this is where most investors leave millions on the table. The 2026 bull cycle, like those before it, will not go up forever. Watch for these warning signs that a top may be near. Mainstream media running daily crypto headlines, your non-investor friends and family asking you what to buy, and on-chain metrics showing long-term holders distributing coins at scale. When you see the investors who win in 2026 won't be the ones who found the most obscure 1000x gem. They'll be the ones with a clear plan, disciplined execution, and the emotional resilience to hold through volatility without making reckless decisions. Bitcoin as your anchor, high-conviction altcoins in growth sectors, dollar-cost averaging entries, layered profit-taking, and rock-solid risk management. That's the blueprint. If this video gave you even one insight that changes how you approach your portfolio, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this content reach more investors who need it. Subscribe if you have